what happens when you hire a digital marketing agency or a freelancer for your digital marketing work and you don't get results. आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हो और भगा देते हो, ये कहते हो यार कोई फायदा नहीं है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बकवास चीज़ है. But why this is happening, and I come across many people, not many business owners talking about the same thing because they don't choose the right digital marketing agency. And who is the right marketing agency? A group of people who understand what a marketing is. 99% of the people don't understand what marketing is. How the hell are they going to do digital marketing for you? तो वो क्या करते हैं आपको, सर इतना पोस्ट बना देंगे, सर इतने लाइक्स आ जाएंगे, इतने व्यूज आ जाएंगे और हो गया. Is it what you intend to do? You are working in real world and you want real business. So here I am inviting you to understand what actually digital marketing agency should be doing in order to get your desired results. And for that, first of all, we need to understand what you are looking at, what you are targeting for. And for this, I am inviting you to book a call with us to understand, assess, and then give you an advice to move ahead in order to get the desired results through digital marketing. It's not like, being a doctor and not giving you the desired solutions to your pain. So if you want to get out of your real ailments, get to a real doctor, a good doctor who understands, who has the knowledge and who can give you a right solution. So just click in here, book a call with us, we'll be helping you do that.